Hello Mac users. Today I am going to show you how to change your Mac look of boring wallpaper to animated wallpaper from this to this and this and this, add many more. There is an application called Dynamic-Wallpapers Engine for Mac OS. And for getting this application, you have to open browser like Safari and type dynamic Dynamic Wallpapers Engine Mac and press return. Now click the first link comes up and open it. It will automatically redirect you to application download page on Mac App Store. You can download directly from here, or if you need patch version, just comment below, I will provide the link. And it's an educational purpose video. We don't support piracy or illegal licenses in any way. Let's start the application. Go to Launchpad and look for this app. Here it shows on my screen. Click and open this application. The complete menu will show up in front of you over the top taskbar. You can see Preferences text in menu. Just click and make sure this button is checked. Run automatically when Mac starts. It is highly recommended. It helps you to start this app automatically every time you restart or start your Mac. Otherwise you have to open this application manually. There is option called Import Local Video. This option is for setting up your own downloaded videos. Like here, I downloaded some videos from various sources. Make sure the videos has some length, or I suggest not short videos. Here are some devotional videos that have some length and looks good to play in loop. It's Diwali festival here in India, so I choose this as my wallpaper, Lord Ganesha. There is also an menu called Workshop, and you can choose any pre-provided animated video wallpapers. That's it, just make download that to set it as wallpaper. That's for now. Hope you enjoyed this infotainment video that creates magic to your Mac screen. Isn't it? If you like and know more applications for your systems, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Stick with us. Thanks for watching.